You just got new challenge account and this time you wanna get payout, right? In this video you will learn the fastest way to pass your challenges. I know you are excited. Open up a new empty chart and head over to indicators tab and search for LuxAlgo and you will see indicators, signals and overlays and the price action concept. After you add these two indicators, type in ICT. You will see indicator from MALG. It is called Sessions 1 Setup for Life. Click that to your chart. And after you add it, please choose max time frame to 15 and choose the America, New York, and that's it. After that, hit the apply button. After you add the indicator, you should see the same thing like me, and we will come over the settings later in this video, so make sure you stick around. And what we will do now is we will look over the chart and see what is going on, because it's not about the taking every signal that it's appeared on our chart. We should be picky if you want to increase your win rate, and in this video you will learn this exact method to fasten up your challenge process and your payout process. We are now trading in the Asia session, and this is the yesterday New York PM session, New York lunch and New York AM session. First thing you need to understand very well where is the high and where is the low. After that you will look over the Asia session, and now we will trade together exactly like how I do it in my live sessions and my personal trading style. So let's roll over the market. As you can see that the Asia session has been finished, and what we will look for is the London session. So the Asia will come first, after that the London, and it will come New York AM after that. What I want you to do now is please draw a high of the Asia line and the low of the Asia line. So it will show us where market can go and where market can go and take over the liquidity waiting for to be filled. Let's roll the market to see what will happen in the London session now. The London just opened, and here is the rule. We will be only trading after 3 AM. The best trading setup will come between 2:50 and 5 AM, right? So what we will see now is we saw that the London taking out the Asia high. You can see it here, right? And after that the time, look at the time over here, it is 3:10. We see a bearish fair value gap in our chart. After a while we get a sell signal from the LuxAlgo. I want you to understand this very clear. The London taking out the Asia high. Now what we will look for is, guess what? The Asia low. We will target the Asia low. This will be our target. You can initiate your short position after you get the sell signal with the bar close, and you can put your stop loss just above this fair value gap. This is a key level. When the fair value gap happened and created in the key level, what I mean by key level is, let's say the price taking out the Asia high or some significant high, and after that it created a fair value gap, and this time it gave us a bearish fair value gap, and after a 1 bar or 2 bar we get a 1 classified sell signal, and we are initiating our short position with that. We didn't take this signal. It is suits our setup because we get a 3 classified sell. We see this confirmation indicator confirm, but we are not taking it. We will be very picky with our signals. The first thing, we need to take in out high or low, and we need to see a fair value gap in the key level and then the signal. This is how we roll. So after you initiate your short position here, we will target the Asia low, but the most probably market will just create a new low, so you can target like 1 to 5 here, and let's roll the market to see if we get hit or miss. So as you can see that market created a new low here and we have banked. It is easy like that. And while the price drops, what you can do is you can just trail your stop. You can just minimize your risk while the price drops. Let's say price came over here. What you will do? you will just put your stop loss to the above the change of character, because we are seeing that market has changed its behavior, easy like that. So this is how you will manage your risk, and with that way, trust me, your win rate will increase like a skyrocket. So after we have done here, the market created a new low, right? So these lows is taken out, this high is taken out. So what we have now? We have a new high, which is a London high, and we have the London low. You can see here that while we watch the market, signal came here, but the exact method can be applied here. What I'm talking about is you can just initiate your long position here, and you can target the London high, and you can always just put your take profit just above, because most probably it will create a new high, and you will put your stop loss to the just under the fair value gap. This is a bullish fair value gap, and easy like that. So let's roll the market if we get payout here, and yes, we banked. As you see that market just created a new high. This is like, you will feel like a deja vu, and you will ask yourself, is it really that easy? But trust me, it is really that easy. So the only thing you should focus is, you will only act when the significant level is taken out. And you can see here one example, and you can see here another example. And this example is just come from the today's price section. This whole thing repeats every day. So we get another sell signal after the market taking out this high. But as you know, based on our rules, we will not be taking any trades after 5 a.m. We are passing this signal. Don't feel FOMO, because these opportunities will show up every day. Now let's roll the market, because I want to show you another thing here. So now the time is 8:30. The New York AM will open in 1 hour, and what you will do is you will create a new high and low on your chart. So this is the new low, right? Easy like that. And this is the new high. Now we will be watching the market if the price taking out this low or this high. New York about to open, so let's roll the market. The price is going up, and we have taken out the London high here, and the New York AM session just started. So what we will looking for is a short position here, but for that we will be watching over a short signal and the fair value gap on the bearish side, and let's see if we get or not, because in some days, especially when there is no news, market will be ranging. So it will go up, go down, go up, go down. So it will not be trend. In that scenario, please don't push yourself to enter any position. Just close your chart and move away from your chair. It's easy like that. If you want to be a successful, you need to follow these rules, because in 1 month, you have at least 18 days of trading, and if you just make it $200 per day, that's it. That's all you need. So here the market taking out the London high, we get 2 classified sell signal, we have a bearish fair value gap, and we see that the price tested the fair value gap here, but it got rejected. So what you can do here is just initiate a short position here, right? You can always wait for retest in the New York AM session, especially in the first 30 minutes. Always wait. You got the sell signal, right? And you will wait for pullback and the fair value gap retested, and you need to make sure that the body didn't close inside the fair value gap, or at least the 50%. This line is the middle of the bearish fair value gap. You will always be looking over that, and you will initiate a position here, and you will target 1 to 5, and you will put your stop loss just above this fair value gap, right? And that's it. So you will just watch the market, see if you got hit or miss. So you can see that your target has been filled, easy like that. And after that, you will be only watching and only trading if price goes just below to that point and clear out these lows. Easy like that. If not, you will not take any position for the whole New York session. Head over to signals and overlay settings and change your sensitivity to 10. But as you guys know that if you just applied a backtesting indicator in your chart, it will tell you the best sensitivity at the current moment. Make sure you always check the backtesting indicator on LuxAlgo's premium toolkit to not get lot of false signals. It is very important. I highly suggest you always check the backtesting system dashboard. The candle coloring, none, because I like to see the candles in their own color. I only use trend catcher and AI classifier is enabled. That's it. That's all the settings I am using. Hit the OK button. And ICT sessions, one setup for life. These are my settings. You can just copy everything you see here, and you can also enable regular trading hour gap because market always wants to fill that gap, so it will be helpful for you. And that's all the thing you need. So head over to price section, concepts now, and these are my settings. As you can see, not so much fancy things. We have enabled the fair value gap. I have enabled the daily, Monday, weekly highs and lows. And that's all the thing you need to do. Just hit the OK button. So the last thing is the time frame. If you are trading on the London session, I highly suggest you always check and watch the 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame. And if you want to trade, you can choose between 1 or 3. So you can decide. If it is a highly volatile day, you can just go with the 1-minute time frame. But when you see that the wicks or the candles are very low, just increase your time frame to 3 minutes, because the London session has a low volume. Maybe it's like 10 times lower than the New York session, and so that's why you can increase your time frame. And that's everything you need to know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please consider watching those videos, and until the next time, see you soon.